I am genuinely excited to be supporting Michelle, who, as Head of Training, will be leading the Advent IM Training Academy. It reflects our shared passion for training and education. We know and understand the profound impact that quality training and education can have on individuals and the organisations that they work for. We have a collective desire to build the Academy into a platform for growth and empowerment. It is what drives us forward. It is incredibly fulfilling to know that we can be a source of inspiration, support and guidance for aspiring learners, helping them to achieve their goals and unlock their potential. This commitment to personal and professional development is at the core of our values and our mission. Training and education has been at the core of our offering for as long as we have been a business. It was that important to us. The launch of the Training Academy, with a dedicated head of training and full-time trainers, is a fantastic evolution. It will ensure that we continue to offer quality, up-to-date courses that make a difference, positively changing attitudes and behaviours, and in so doing, ensuring the security and resilience of the organisations that those people work for.